Hello, everyone. Welcome to Professor English Lessons. Today, we're going on a fun picture adventure to learn prepositions, the special words that tell us where things are and where they go. Learning English has never been this easy and fun. Don't forget to subscribe and join us for more exciting lessons. Number 1. In. In means something is completely inside another thing. In the picture, the cat is sitting inside the box and cannot be seen outside. We use in when an object is surrounded on all sides by something else. Example, the cat is in the box. Number 2, on. On means something is resting on top of another object. In the picture, the apple is on the book and touching it. We use on when one object is supported by another object underneath it. Example, the apple is on the book. Next one, under. Under means something is below another thing. The dog is sitting under the table, so the table is above the dog. We use under when one object is lower than another object and may be covered by it. Example, the dog is under the table. Number 4, above. Above means something is higher than something else, but not touching it. The airplane is flying above the clouds in the sky. We use above when one object is higher than another object and floating or placed over it. Example, the plane is above the clouds. Number 5, below. Below means something is lower than another object. The fish is swimming below the water surface. We use below when an object is at a lower level or position compared to something else. Example, the fish is below the water. Number 6, next to. Next to means beside or very close to something. The boy is standing next to the girl, so they are side by side. We use next to when two objects or people are near each other and close together. Example, the boy is next to the girl. Number 7, between. Between means in the middle of two things. The ball is lying between two trees with one tree on each side. We use between when an object is in the center of two other objects or people. Example, the ball is between the trees. Number 8, in front of. In front of means before something. The boy is standing in front of the TV and facing it. We use in front of when something is ahead of another object and not behind it. Example, the boy is in front of the TV. Number 9, behind. Behind means at the back of something. The girl is standing behind the tree, so the tree is in front of her. We use behind when an object or person is at the back and hidden or covered by another object. Example, the girl is behind the tree. Number 10, over. Over means something goes above and across something else. The boy is jumping over the hurdle in the race. We use over when an object goes from one side to another side above another object. Example, the boy jumps over the fence. Number 11, into. Into means moving from outside to inside. The rabbit jumps into the hat. We use into when an object enters another object or place completely. Example, the rabbit jumps into the hat. Next one, out of. Out of means moving from inside to outside. The bird flies out of the cage and leaves it. We use out of when something comes out from a place, room, or container. Example, the bird flies out of the cage. Number 13, up. Up means moving to a higher place. The boy is walking up the stairs to go to the next floor. We use up when something moves from a lower position to a higher position. Example, the boy walks up the stairs. Number 14, down. Down means moving to a lower place. The girl is walking down the hill carefully. We use down when something goes from a higher position to a lower position. Example, the girl walks down the hill. Next one, around. Around means moving in a circle or surrounding something. The car is driving around the park slowly. We use around when something goes in a round path or circles something. Example, the car drives around the park. Number 16, through. Through means moving inside and out the other side. The bus goes through the tunnel from one end to the other. We use through when an object enters a space and comes out from the opposite side. Example, the bus goes through the tunnel. Number 17, across. Across means moving from one side to the other side. The boy walks across the bridge to reach the other side. We use across when something crosses from one edge to another edge. Example, the boy walks across the bridge. Number 18, towards. Towards means moving in the direction of something. The child is walking towards the house, going closer step by step. We use towards when an object or person moves closer to another place or person. Example, the child walks towards the house. Last one, away from. Away from means moving far from something. The boy is running away from the dog, getting farther and farther. We use away from when an object or person moves in the opposite direction and leaves something behind. Example, the boy runs away from the dog. Prepositions help us talk about where things are and how they move. When we look at pictures, prepositions become easy and fun to understand. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to join more fun lessons with Professor English. See you next time!